Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear today. Reflection. Enjoy the little things, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Robert Brault. What little things happened today that you could be grateful for? How and why did they impact your day? Which item has our quotes today? Let's try this one. Life is too short to waste your time on people who don't respect, appreciate, and value you. May we both be protected against low-vibing, inauthentic, non-reciprocating energy at all times. Focus on the support that keeps showing up, not who you thought would show up. That's a good reminder. Thank you for being there. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for giving so much love. Thank you for making the world a better place. If you feel it in your stomach, it is your intuition. If you feel it in your chest, it's your fear. Please keep in mind that how you feel about someone and how they make you feel are two very different things. And the last one today. What they hate in you is missing in them. Keep shining. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.